Sorry, we gotta cross double yellow. Oh shit. Alright, made it to the bottom of the hill. Alright, let's get this video started. What is up, you guys? Scotty Hopp here. Today I have an update video for the Y33 project, and as you can tell, it looks pretty clean. We only did a few small things for this project because, like I said in the introduction video, the small details will really make this car pop, and it really did. All we really did was cut and polish the paint, polished up the headlights, and a few other small things. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Check it out. Looks way cleaner than when we bought it. I really like the Nissan grill up front. Those headlights are absolutely insane. Happy we were able to make those clear again. And another big thing that I did was I paint matched the lower side skirts. There's a whole bunch of dirt over there, so excuse that, but I need to just spray this car down. But the paint matched side skirts look really, really good. Funny story for that, I took it down to the shop because, like I said, it's kind of cold out, so I'm just gonna have a shop do it. If I had to pay like 500 bucks or something, at least I would know that it would be professionally done. But I'll put the receipt up here, the quote. $1,430 to paint the side skirts for the Y33, and I was like, that is not happening one bit. So we spent 200 bucks on I think paintscratch.com, and we ended up buying the paint match. It's not perfect because for these older cars you got to kind of account for like sun like fade and stuff in the clear coat, so the body panels are a little bit like yellower than the white side skirts down below, but it looks really well. I need to buy another kit though to do the lower bumper valence, but other than that, the side skirts alone make the car look way lower, cleaner, and altogether like just higher quality. That's what I did on the Y34 I had a couple years ago, and that little detail right there changes the whole look of the car. But super happy with how this project turned out. I was hoping this car was going to be a little bit more of a more friendly daily, but it rides so stiff because of the suspension. This is why I want to sell this thing. Oh my gosh, let's see if it'll scrape. This looks like a normal road, but the oil pan will tell you otherwise. Oh my gosh, this thing is bouncy. Like that up there? Yeah, I see you. I mean, it's on BC Racing coilovers and Swift springs, so it rides stiff, but it's a stancy boy, and that's what I wanted, so that's what we got, and that's what we have to live with. Another upgrade that I did, I wouldn't say upgrade because, look you guys, I'll be honest, this upgrade I am totally against on every other car, but for this hot boy project, I had to do it, you guys. I had to freaking do it. I didn't want to make a video because it is such like a mod that I don't like. I didn't want to make a video on it, so what we did, we put underglows on this thing too. I'll leave a little video right here of the underglows doing their thing at night. I mean, they're the color chasing ones that are Bluetooth and all that, so it's kind of cool, but I think honestly that this car can rock the underglows, but on any other car I'm totally against it because it's just so like racer-ish, but this car kind of fits that theme, so yeah, it actually looks kind of cool. What else did we do? I don't know if I included it in the introduction video, but in the trunk there were like these JDM, all Japanese in the packaging, and I was like, what the heck are these? They ended up being the curtains, so we installed the curtains on the rear. I mean, it looks pretty cool. It flows with the whole VIP theme, especially with the table that we have right up in there, so yeah, I like them. I mean, I'm not ever going to use them, and the way that they're held up, it's like a little strip that you bend, and it's held on with double-sided tape. Same with the bottom, so it can slide over, and yeah, it's a cheap Chinese, Japanese product, so. But other than that, I still got the same LED tails. Like I said, I wish I had enough paint to do the lower bumper trim, but it doesn't look too bad. Polish up the wheels. Those wheels are awesome. I really like those wheels. The three-piece work Cerberus 2s or something like that, and they also have the work lug nuts on them. But yeah, that's the Y33 project. It came out pretty sweet. I wouldn't really call it a project because we only did a few things, but at least we brought this car back to life, and probably going to put it up for sale. I really want to get the Jaguar going again, so the little profit from this will make me feel less guilty about putting more money into the S-Type R. So that's what we're going to do. But that's the project right there. Paint came out pretty well. It needs to be sprayed down again because it hasn't been washed in a couple days. It's been raining and all that. But overall, she came out pretty clean. If I was to keep this car longer, I'd probably get a different steering wheel, floor mats, and seats. But who knows? Maybe we will keep this for a while. I don't know. I'm just in a mood of like moving some money today, and I want to sell this thing. The Jaguar, I got parts coming for it right now. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about that because it's been like a month and a half since I uploaded a video on that. But I have parts coming for it, and in theory, these parts, it's just a oil pan gasket, and it's basically like an in-depth oil change because it's leaking some oil from the valve cover gasket and the oil pan gasket. So we're going to swap that out, and we'll be able to drive that thing too, which I'm super excited for. So who knows, maybe selling this will let us do a paint job for the S-Type R. I don't know. But this car will probably go to a different home. If not, I'll just keep it and do little things here and there. But my main focus now will be back onto the S-Type R. But I always wanted one of these. Super cool. I mean, you can't beat the big body style of the 90s. It looks so gangster. Too gangster for me, but I've always wanted one of these, and I'm happy I was able to scratch it off the list. Wish I cleaned it up before the video, but you guys know it's clean. These wheels are so awesome. And boom. There. Side skirts all dirty because of dirt, but another wheel. But yeah, it came out pretty awesome. Yeah, who knows? Maybe we'll keep this a while. I'm gonna put it up for sale, see if anyone will take any bites at it. It runs great. Put about 250 miles on it since I've owned it, which doesn't sound like a lot, but 200 of those miles were in one trip, so at least it can do road trips. And it also drives straight, even with how low it is. But there it is, the Y33 project. Super quick flip, or if not, we'll keep it and do the interior next, which will be pretty insane. Like I said, if we keep it, steering wheel, seats, floor mats, and complete hotboi style too. Like in your face, outrageous, obnoxious, bring some haters, but it's okay. I hope you guys like this little mini series I did. I mean, I only got a couple videos out of it because we only did a couple things. I was thinking about making a video for the curtains, but it's like seriously arts and crafts. You just tape this on right there, tape it on up top, then they got these little beads that go into the railing, so I couldn't really do a video on it, so just wanted to do like just an update video on the car. But this is how she sits. If you guys like this project so far, or if you want to see more Jag videos, you know, comment down below. You know, I want to hear some of your feedback, and yeah, let's get this channel moving. So like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.